Is it really worth upgrading to the Samsung Galaxy S21 series from the Samsung Galaxy S20 series? What's going on, my tech friends? This is the One Tech. So today we're going to be finding out if it's really worth upgrading from the Samsung Galaxy S20 series to the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. So, as you guys have already heard or already know, that the Samsung Galaxy S21 series actually came out yesterday. It was announced yesterday and will be going on sale on the 29th of this month. So yeah, we're very excited for that. We're very excited to have the tech in the studio when it comes out. But yeah, I've been thinking lately, and obviously being a user of the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra, well, which is still in the S20 series or lineup, and I've been thinking, I'm like, should I personally upgrade to a Samsung Galaxy S21 series or not? And I've been thinking as well about other people. Should they really upgrade from the Samsung Galaxy S20 to the S21 series? I mean, the way I look at it is basically, yeah, with the catastrophic fail they had with the Samsung Galaxy S20 series, with the cameras, especially on the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra, and they've kind of done the same thing with the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra with the camera. But looking at the keynote yesterday and comparing the cameras on both devices, I mean, doing researches and specs and all that stuff, to me, they've kind of improvised, they've kind of improved what they had before on the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra and kind of refurbished it, if that makes sense, and kind of sugarcoated it and made it a little bit better. And it kind of makes me remember about the Samsung Galaxy Fold, the one that folds this way. And the first generation of that was just absolutely bonkers. Like it just wasn't good enough. That phone was a prototype. I don't know if a lot of people watching this know, but the S Fold, I mean, no, the Samsung Galaxy Fold was actually a prototype to sell for people to have a look at and review it and give their own points of view, so Samsung could actually improve on that, which is why they brought out the Samsung Galaxy Fold, Z Fold 2. Then it was better. People liked it more. People wanted it more. So yeah, this is what I think happened with the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra with that 108 megapixel camera and lens in there. It was kind of an experiment for Samsung. So they bring it out in the word because it's never been heard of. Bring it out in the word, and people test it out, give their opinion, give their views, and then with that information they have, they improve on it. They improve for the Samsung Galaxy S21 lineup. So the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, like I said, has that 108 megapixel camera, but it's been obviously made better. And from the keynote, well, from the unpacked yesterday, it sounded like they've made it a little bit better. But obviously, Samsung and other manufacturers, they say things. It's all word of a mouth. It's about actually it being in practice, we using the devices and actually finding a little bit more about this camera. But obviously, we're gonna have to see how it goes, because they can just only say. And if you heard the quote, "Action speaks louder than the voice," then we have to test it out and see what it really is about. And then moving away from the camera, the whole design of the phone, the Samsung Galaxy S21 series, the whole design is just absolutely impeccable. It's literally so beautiful. The design is just so nice. Obviously, when the Samsung Galaxy Note series came out and then the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE came out as well, I was a little bit disappointed with how then they designed the Samsung Galaxy S20 lineup and the S20 Ultra in particular, because of how camera module looked on the Note series, Note 20 series, and the Samsung S20 FE. The way they looked, it felt like this Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra was an old phone, came from like 2 years ago, because of the way the camera module looked. It looked so modern and so beautiful. And then with the Samsung Galaxy S20 lineup, they've kind of implemented the same way they've designed the Note series, Note 20 series, and the S20 FE, and they kind of mashed it together and made it look even more better. So the design aspect of the Samsung Galaxy S21 series is just absolutely beautiful. I love it. I like how the camera is kind of flows with the back of the phone, and kind of just folds with the actual framing, the metal framing on the side of the phone. It's very nice. Its camera is nicely raised up as well. It's just a nice view. And then for the front screen, you get more screen real estate. So they've narrowed down the chin on the phone, and also they've narrowed down the forehead on the phone as well. So if you compare it with the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra, you would actually see that the chins and the bezels are a lot more smaller, which means you get more screen real estate, which is very, very nice. It's very good because phone companies and manufacturers are actually trying to make a screenless phone. So the whole face of the phone is just purely screen, and that's a nice step for Samsung to have less bezel, which is nice. And then obviously you have that webcam as well, the selfie camera built into the glass right in front of the device, which is very, very nice. And then you got the whole system, the whole processor inside the phone, the new processor, the specs. It just rings a really nice bell to me. It's just really nice because they've got the new Snapdragon Quad-Core processor in there. They've got the new Exynon processor in there, latest ones as well. So it's running a lot more faster, and it's just an more amazing phone. Don't get me wrong, the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra and the S20 lineup is still a good phone in this day, in 2021. It's still a good phone, still an absolutely beast of a phone. But then you have the S21 lineup, and it's like, whoa. But yeah, before I answer the question, right, honestly, we have to test these phones out first. And also, if it's a little bit of a difference from the previous generation of the S series, which is the S20, then I don't know. But it's all up to you guys. I can't sit here and tell you which phone to get. But personally, I don't know. That will be answered in a different video. But for you guys out there that are trying to decide if it's really, really worth upgrading, I would say, hold on 1 second. Give it a few weeks to a month, and a couple of more weeks, so we can test the phone out more and give you guys more information. But right now, I think personally, you guys should not upgrade. Why? Because yes, Samsung have said good stuff about the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra and this S21 lineup, but is it really that much difference and much better than the Samsung Galaxy S21? I mean the S20 series. Think about it. That's why I say wait a few weeks to a month to make a decision. But yeah, I will be getting the device, we'll be reviewing it as well. Then I'll come to my final conclusion if you should really upgrade to the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. Anyway guys, if you love what I do, if you love my channel, please don't forget to smack that like button. Also subscribe, turn on your post notifications on so you're reminded when I upload on this channel. And yeah, comment down below, tell me your opinions about upgrading, or if it's worth it or if it's not. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.